How far can you drive on a run-flat tire? Have you ever wondered what happens if you get a flat tire while driving? For teenagers just starting out, this can be a scary thought. Luckily, run-flat tires can help ease some of that worry. So, how far can you actually drive on a run-flat tire? Run-flat tires are specially designed to keep you moving even after losing air pressure. Typically, you can drive up to about 50 miles, but there is a catch. You should not exceed a speed of 50 miles per hour during this time. This limited distance and speed are important to prevent further damage to the tire and ensure your safety. What makes run-flat tires unique is their reinforced sidewalls. These sidewalls, or a support ring inside the tire, allow the vehicle's weight to be supported even when the tire is flat. This means you do not have to stop immediately or change the tire on the roadside. This feature can be especially helpful for teen drivers who might not feel confident changing a tire by themselves. However, it is essential to keep in mind that run-flat tires are not meant for long-term driving when flat. If you drive beyond the recommended distance or speed, you risk tire failure or damage to your vehicle. Additionally, your car needs to have a tire pressure monitoring system that alerts you when the tire pressure is low. This is important because run-flat tires do not always make the usual flat tire noise that you might expect. For teenagers, knowing this information can make you feel more secure if you ever find yourself with a flat tire. However, it is still important to plan to get your tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible within that 50-mile limit. Always check your vehicle's manual or the tire manufacturer's instructions for the exact limits for your tires, as some models may allow slightly different distances or speeds. In summary, run-flat tires give you the ability to drive safely up to around 50 miles at speeds up to 50 miles per hour after a puncture. This helps you avoid the hassle of changing a tire on the roadside and allows you to reach help more easily. But remember, this is a temporary solution, so prompt tire maintenance is necessary to keep you safe on the road.